Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn the solution to the problem 268 in Roblox. So probably you have been kicked out from a server on Roblox. That's the problem 268. The most common solution is to go to your website and write status.roblox.com and see if all systems, all servers are operational. So here I have the web page and all of these servers are operational. Perhaps one of these are disabled in one occasion, so please check this up first and then you can follow the next solutions. So the second solution is go to your Finder or to your file browser on Windows and look for your application Roblox. Then you're going to make a right click and show package contents and go to the source on Windows. There you're going to continue and probably there are going to be some files with the extension XML. I don't have any of those files right now, but I'm going to make an example of it. So probably if your file ends in XML, that's a file that you want to erase. So please select it and delete it from your computer. After that, please reboot your computer, open your Roblox and check out if you can continue and that problem, that 268, has disappeared. And finally, there's a third solution. I would recommend do that in a Windows computer system. It is probably not gonna function in MacBook. So please go to your Finder or browser and the search tab and write temp. There you're going to find some folders with that name on it. The temp, those are temporal files that you can delete whenever you want. So if you delete those folders, you will have to reboot your computer again, open your Roblox and see if there are no more problems. I hope you can get a solution on that problem on Roblox, the 268.